I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian, here on Tuesday, June 3rd. A couple different opportunities for showers and thunderstorms in the I-95 corridor between D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City over the next few days. First opportunity comes this afternoon, continues into the early part of the evening, and the second, perhaps even more impressive opportunity comes late Wednesday night into the day on Thursday. There can be an isolated strong thunderstorm later on today, even more likelihood for some strong thunderstorms late Wednesday night into Thursday. Some of that rainfall will be heavy at times. Let's start off by looking at the current surface map. There is a frontal system moving through the Ohio Valley headed towards the East Coast. Out ahead of it, we'll see in a moment on the satellite and radar a large band of showers and thunderstorms oriented north to south, and all of that activity moving west to east towards the I-95 corridor. High pressure off the East Coast this morning, pumping in some more humid air into the mid-Atlantic region on low-level southwesterly winds. That will help to set the stage for some afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Well, here's the very latest visible satellite imagery loop from a Penn State EWAL site. Lots of sunshine this morning along the I-95 corridor. D.C. region, Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York City all experiencing some sunshine currently, and that trend will continue over the next several hours. But then thick clouds will move in this afternoon, all seen right here across West Virginia and western Pennsylvania. We'll see in a moment on the radar there are some showers and thunderstorms out associated with those clouds. All that moves into the I-95 corridor later on this afternoon and lasts into the evening hours. Here's a current radar loop from the Penn State EWAL site. A line of showers and thunderstorms up north and south here, well ahead of that frontal system. Not all that impressive right now. There are some embedded stronger thunderstorms in northwestern part of Pennsylvania. There certainly can be an isolated strong thunderstorm or two later on this afternoon into the evening. For the most part, more or less conventional showers and thunderstorms moving into the I-95 corridor this afternoon into the early part of the evening. The morning looks dry with partial sunshine, although it'll become more humid as the morning progresses, and temperatures should jump to the 80s in most I-95 corridor locations by the early part of the afternoon. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps for the upcoming period between tonight, Tuesday evening, and Thursday evening. We'll use the 0Z GFS model run. We'll look at 12-hour increments. Again, 2 shots of showers and thunderstorms, one this afternoon into the early evening, and a more impressive looking pattern for late Wednesday night into Thursday. By this evening, that cool frontal system will move all the way to this position right here, closing in on the East Coast. Again, some showers and thunderstorms moving into the I-95 corridor. Not a major rain event. There can be some isolated downpours later on today into the early part of the evening. Doesn't quite look as impressive as the next threat, which comes late Wednesday night into Thursday. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning. By this time, the showers and thunderstorms will be just about exiting the East Coast, and upstream, here we are. Quite an impressive looking pattern. Almost looks like a mesoscale convective complex with serious rainfall in the middle part of the country. This is all part of the pattern that will continue to move from west to east right towards the mid-Atlantic region. In fact, let's now jump ahead to the Wednesday evening forecast map. And here by early Wednesday evening, that mesoscale convective complex looks like it's moving over the Ohio Valley at this time. A little bit of low pressure area depicted here by the GFS model run. For the most part, the early evening hours tomorrow night will be dry here in the I-95 corridor. It looks like this rainfall moves in late tomorrow night. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours. And here's the forecast map for early Thursday morning. Low pressure right over the I-95 corridor with some heavy rainfall here. It looks like it will move in late tomorrow night after midnight towards morning and continue into the morning hours on Thursday. I expect this possible heavy rainfall could even have an effect on the Thursday morning rush hour. It may be raining that hard early Thursday morning. Again, the time frame here is late Wednesday night into the day on Thursday for the second round of showers and thunderstorms in the I-95 corridor. The first round coming this afternoon into the early evening. Finally, by Thursday evening, that low pressure moves off the East Coast. Drier conditions move into the Mid-Atlantic region. It looks like it might turn quite nice at the end of the work week on Friday, and potentially that nice weather looks like it'll last right through the upcoming weekend. We've kind of fallen into a nice pattern here in the Mid-Atlantic region with things working out for nice weekends, and it looks like that could continue in this upcoming weekend as well. But before we get there, quite an active situation here in the I-95 corridor with 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms. The first round coming this afternoon into the early evening, and the second, more impressive round coming late Wednesday night into the day on Thursday. That's it for now. Stay tuned to the SIWeather.com for any possible updates later today. I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.